Today we are reading a story about a dragon. This one's called The Best Pet of All, and it's by David LaRochelle and illustrated by Haneko Wakayama. On Monday, I asked my mother if I could have a dog. A dog is a good pet, I said. No, she said, dogs are too messy. On Tuesday, I asked my mother if I could have a dog. A dog is a very good pet, I said. No, she said, dogs are too loud. On Wednesday, I asked my mother if I could have a dog. A dog is the best pet of all, I said. No, she said, no dogs. On Thursday, I asked my mother if I could have a dragon. Oh, a dragon, she said. I have never heard of a dragon for a pet. She thought a bit. If you can find a dragon, you can keep it for a pet. Dragons are not easy to find. There were no dragons in the park. There were no dragons at the beach. There were no dragons in the woods. There were no dragons in the zoo. At last I found a dragon. The dragon was at the drugstore. He was wearing dark glasses and a hat. I asked the dragon to come home with me. The dragon said, no. You can sleep in my bed, I said. He still would not come. You can play with my toys, I said. The dragon said yes. Dragons like to play with toys, but they do not like to put them away. They do not like to help with chores. And they make a mess in the kitchen. They roast hot dogs in the living room. Whoosh. And they dance to loud music all night long. My mother did not like this dragon. She asked the dragon to please leave. The dragon would not go. Then she told the dragon to leave now. The dragon still would not go. Finally, my mother got angry. She stomped her foot. She told the dragon to leave this minute or else. The dragon just shook his head. He went back to eating spaghetti in the bathtub. Too bad we do not have a dog, I said. Dragons do not like dogs. The dragon looked worried. Dragons are afraid of dogs, I said. The dragon began to shake. Uh-oh. A dog would chase the dragon away, I said. The dragon ran to my toy box and jumped inside. I think he's afraid. Maybe you are right, my mother said. Maybe we need a dog. I put a sign in the window. Dog wanted. Soon there was a knock at the door. It was a dog. The dragon saw the dog. He grabbed his hat and ran out the door. Thank goodness we have a dog, said my mother. A dog is a good pet. My dog wagged his tail. Yes, I said, a dog is the best pet of all. The end. Oh, I liked that dragon story. Thanks for joining me, friends. If you like this book, hit the thumbs up button and hit the bell for new shows. And don't forget to subscribe. Okay? Thanks. Bye.
Me.